Hello guys, and welcome to our video. This is going to be a guide to show you what 2 adults, 1 week in Portugal and €640 got up to. This is our 4-star hotel, situated between Old and New Town, which is a 15-minute walk away to get to either side. The room did come with a kitchen, which is good for us to get our cook on. A 5-minute walk takes us to the Albufeira mall, very convenient for food and other essentials. The Marina is where you'll find boat activities, fun for all the family to enjoy. So we decided on kayaking, a great way to get some cardio exercise in for the afternoon. And of course we did take a tumble and fall. Luckily for us it was caught on film. Our guide took us to a little secret beach where we got to enjoy a beautiful sea view. We both enjoyed the marina so much we thought we'd come back the next day to buy 2 tickets for the Insomnia tour, which is a dolphin search. The first stop after a 10-minute bumpy boat ride was to check out the caves. Our guide was very informative, giving us an insight into the history of the caves. I do highly recommend you bring a waterproof bag to protect your belongings, because it will get very wet. I'm using an underwater-proof phone case to capture this footage for you. So what you don't actually see is me drenched in water, probably for the best. We did manage to see some dolphins. Unfortunately it was so fast I couldn't capture it on film. If you came with a family, then Zoo Marine has got to be on your list. They have so many animals to see with fun-filled shows, what's not to love? What's also great about Zoo Marine is the strong environmental message they want to put across to the visitors, which we thought was a very nice touch. While we were here, we managed to catch 3 shows. They do come on quite frequently. What's great is it's completely free. My tip would be to try and get there early and grab a seat, as it will fill up really fast. If you forgot to bring a packed lunch, you'll be pleased to know that the restaurants within Zoo Marine is reasonably priced and won't cost the earth. As you can see, we were really into animals, so naturally we had to go horse riding. If there was a llama trek, we most likely would have went on that adventure as well. Once we were given our horses, we was ready to saddle up and head on. I do highly recommend you bring refreshments, as the trek has no pit stops. Besides the beach, this was one of the most relaxing treks to end the evening. Definitely a rare moment where I get to feel like a cowboy. For the last few days in Portugal, we finished off by going to Old Town, as many people told us that this is the spot to check out. And how right they were, this place is awesome, so many things to see, a proper tourist hotspot. If you have a few euros left and you want to buy some gifts, this is the spot. Everywhere we've been, we've always brought fridge magnets, so this was no exception. Walking through town, you're really spoiled for choice on where to eat. Adults can choose from many bars to grab a beer or cocktails. Well, this brings us to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it and hopefully learned something new. My name is Peter. If there's anything I've missed, please be sure to leave it down in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and if you liked what you saw, please hit that subscribe button, like and share,